Solubility is a fundamental concept in chemistry that describes how substances interact when mixed together. Understanding solubility helps us explain everyday phenomena, from making sugar water to understanding why oil and water don't mix. Solubility is defined as the maximum amount of solute that can dissolve in a given amount of solvent at specific temperature and pressure conditions. Think of it like a sponge that can only absorb so much water. Once the sponge is saturated, it cannot hold anymore. Similarly, a solvent can only dissolve a certain amount of solute before reaching its limit. To understand solubility, we need to know two important terms. The solute is the substance being dissolved. For example, when you add sugar to water, sugar is the solute. The solvent is the substance doing the dissolving. In our sugar-water example, water is the solvent. The solvent is usually present in a larger amount than the solute. Three main factors affect how much solute can dissolve in a solvent. First is temperature, which changes how fast molecules move and interact. Second is pressure, which is especially important for gases dissolving in liquids. Third is the nature of substances themselves, meaning the chemical properties of both the solute and solvent determine whether they will mix well. Temperature affects solids and gases differently. For most solid solutes, higher temperature increases solubility. This is why hot water dissolves more sugar than cold water. However, for gases, the opposite is true. Higher temperature decreases gas solubility. This is why warm soda goes flat faster than cold soda, as the carbon dioxide gas escapes more easily at higher temperatures. Pressure primarily affects the solubility of gases, not solids or liquids. This relationship is described by Henry's law, which states that gas solubility is directly proportional to the partial pressure of the gas above the solution. When you increase the pressure, more gas dissolves. This principle is used in carbonated beverages, where carbon dioxide is dissolved under high pressure, and when you open the bottle, the pressure decreases and the gas escapes. Solutions can exist in three different states. An unsaturated solution can still dissolve more solute, like when you first add a spoonful of sugar to water and it easily dissolves. A saturated solution has reached its maximum capacity and cannot dissolve any more solute at that temperature. A supersaturated solution is a special unstable state that contains more dissolved solute than normally possible. This is achieved by carefully cooling a saturated solution, and any disturbance can cause the excess solute to precipitate out. Solubility can be expressed using different units depending on the context. The most common unit is grams per 100 milliliters of solvent, which tells you how many grams of solute can dissolve in 100 milliliters of the solvent. Another common unit is moles per liter, also known as molarity, which is useful for chemical calculations. Finally, grams per liter is used when dealing with larger volumes. All these units help us quantify exactly how soluble a substance is under given conditions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.